Okay, good morning, 7th graders. Today we're going to look at TEK 7.11a, which is to model and solve one variable and two-step equations and inequalities. So let's take a look at number 1 on page 232. It says Julia, Alex, Mario, and Monica work together to solve the inequality below. That is the inequality 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 17. None of the students agree on how to solve the inequality, though some of them arrived at the same solution. Who has the correct process and solution for this inequality? So let's take a look at how we can solve this equation. Okay, so we have 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 17. So the first thing we want to do is to combine like terms. We want to put the numbers together, and the numbers are 3, -3, and 17. Okay, the goal is to isolate x. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is perform inverse operation. We want to move -3 to the other side. So the opposite of negative is positive, so we're going to add 3 on both sides. It's going to be positive 3. Whatever we do on that side, we do on this side to balance the equation. So -3 plus 3 is a 0. We've created a 0 pair over here. Okay, and then we bring this down. We bring the 5x down. This becomes 5x is greater than or equal to 17 plus 3, which is the same as 5x is greater than or equal to 20. To solve for x, we're going to divide by 5 on both sides, okay, because it's 5 times x, and the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 5 on both sides to balance the equation. So x is greater than or equal to 4. So let's look at the solutions. Okay, so Julia says to add 3 to both sides. Yes, we added 3 to both sides. That's what we did. And then divide by 5. The solution is x is equal to 4. But we don't have an equal to sign. We have a greater than or equal to sign. So this cannot be A. So Alex says to subtract 3 from both sides. No, we didn't subtract 3. We added 3. So it cannot be B. Mario says to subtract 3 from both sides. No, we didn't subtract 3. We added. So it cannot be C. Let's look at D. Monica says to add 3 to both sides, which we did, and then divide by 5. The solution is x is greater than 4. That is our solution.